This is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you start by finding and launching the iManager tool. That's the built-in system and phone management app that you get alongside the phone, so you will not have to additionally install or download any third-party solutions here. It fosters a pretty wide range of options and useful tools for you to, well, manage your phone and maintain its overall well-being, starting from the space cleanup, going all the way to security scan that we'll use in a minute, so just wait, and all the way up to phone cooling solutions. Anyway, here the the tool that we are interested in is obviously a security scan, so open it, allow it to, well, perform its scan and see if it will find any malware or any security threats in general. I also recommend that you enable the automatic security scan, so the iManager will automatically, well, scan your system for security threats and malware on the background without you having to actively participate in it, or without you manually running those scans, because you can forget about them, you can just be too lazy to run them. I don't know, just choose the rate at which you would like for your system to be automatically scanned, and then hit the enable now button. Another security check that you might want to do is the built-in Play Store feature. So once again, you will not need to address any third-party apps. So anyway, launch the Play Store, tap at your profile picture, then open the Play Protect and run a scan here. And well, as far as the third-party solutions go, if you would like to use them, you can absolutely go for it. The solution that I usually go with is Avast. So find this app, get it installed, and use its built-in antivirus scan to check your system and your phone for viruses and, well, other kinds of malware and, well, malicious software in general. And well, that will be more or less it, more or less everything I wanted to cover today. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.